And the third item in the bag is the advanced secret weapon for posture improvement. The posture brace is great at reminding the shoulders what to do. The resistance band really helps to retrain the muscles, but sometimes if your mid-back, your thoracic spine is really stiff and tight from desk work, driving and modern life, then you need to massage the muscles out and you need to stretch that area of the back. And this is one of the best ways to do it safely. Some people call it a peanut ball, and it's basically two massage balls stuck together. And the reason there are two together, if you turn around, Lucy, is so they can go either side of the bones in the spine. So they go like this. And what you're going to do in a minute is you can do this standing up against the wall. That's like the basic version, but the most effective way to do it is lying on the floor, which I'll show you how, using this to roll down your spine, freeing up this area of the back. So let's see how to do it. Okay, so level 1 is just having this behind your back, using your body weight to press against it into those tight knots and ease up the muscles, stretch out the back in between the shoulders. So literally just like that. What you can do as well is just dip the knees up and down so it kind of rolls up and down your spine, gives it a nice massage on the muscles. And if you find some really tender points, you can hold some pressure on there for about 20 to 30 seconds until it starts to calm down a bit and the muscles relax. So just start with this. Start with doing this for about a minute, and you can build up to 3, 4, 5 minutes at a time. Again, to whatever's comfortable, especially in the beginning. And if you find that comfortable enough, you can go on to level 2. And that is simply to stay in the same position, but lift the arms overhead. So you're stretching the arms up. Try to get your bum back against the wall like that as well. Tuck your chin very slightly. You'll feel a pulling down the back of the neck, and what this is doing is stretching everything that's become tight in your neck and upper back through desk work and computers, etc. And again, hold it for 20-30 seconds. You might find that you find it difficult to get your arms all the way up there, so just go as far as you comfortably can. And another thing you can do is just to stretch the arms down, trying to keep them against the wall. We call this wall angels. So if you've ever done snow angels in the snow when you were a kid, when you're lying in the snow, it's the same kind of thing. Except you're against the wall. So that's level 2.